capital H? It is small h. In this video we will learn words begin with letter H.
H for
Horse,
H for
head,
H for
hanger,
H for
hook,
H for
hair,
H for
house,
H for
hat,
H for
hammer,
H for
hen,
H for
hippopotamus,
H for
hut,
H for
100,
H for
hairbrush,
H for
hero,
H for
heroine,
H for
horn,
H for
handicap,
H for
handwriting,
H for
handles,
H for
hill,
H for
hands,
H for
half,
H for
whole,
H for
honey,
H for
honey jar,
H for
hospital,
H for
helmet,
H for
help,
H for
heart,
H for
hot,
H for
headache,
H for
hungry,
H for
healthy,
H for
hunter,
H for
hopscotch,
H for
hairband,
H for
hairpin,
H for
hall,
H for
hair,
H for
hallmark,
H for
headphone,
H for
handbag,
H for
hand pump,
H for
handshake,
H for
handsome,
H for
harbor,
H for
hate,
H for
hatch,
H for
heat,
H for
heavy,
H for
him,
H for
henna,
H for
hibiscus,
H for
hyphen,
H for
hologram,
H for
hoof,
H for
horoscope,
H for
hostel,
H for
hotel,
H for
hail,
H for
herbs,
H for
happy,
H for
handbill,
H for
handicraft,
H for
handset,
H for
hay,
H for
headlight,
H for
hit,
H for
honeycomb,
H for
hump. Thanks for watching.